Hello students, we are discussing about the beaks and claws of the birds. Till now we have discussed about the different types of beaks of birds. And then we have started learning about the feet and claws of different types of birds. Now what are claws? Claws are the long curved nails present on the feet. And we have also discussed about the feet and claws of the birds of prey. So birds of prey means the birds which kill other smaller animals and eat them as food. And they have strong and sharp claws. And these help them to firmly hold the prey while flying. This we have already discussed. Then we have discussed about the perching birds. That is, you can see here the picture of sparrows. Pigeon and crows have long and slender claws with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. And it helps them to sit on the branch or a wire. And then we have discussed about the swimming birds like duck, penguin. They have webbed feet as shown in the picture. The front toes of these birds are joined by the skin and give them a flat appearance, and they use these feet to paddle and push the water while swimming. That means this type of feet, that is webbed feet, help them to paddle and push the water while swimming. Now today we will discuss about some other types of birds and their feet and claws. Now we will discuss about the wading birds. You can see here the picture of crane. So crane and jacana have long legs. You can see here in the picture they have long legs and wide spreading toes. Now first of all, what are wading birds? Wading means पानी में चलने को हम wading बोलते हैं. Swimming is something different from wading. Swim करना means तैरना and wading means पानी के अंदर चलना. So crane and jacana, you must have seen the crane. वो अपना खाना water में ढूंढती है, fishes को ढूंढती है, and they walk in the shallow water, and they have long legs and wide spreading toes. उनकी toes जो होती है बहुत फैली हुई होती है. These help them to walk in a shallow water or mud. कम गहरे पानी में इनको चलने में हेल्प करती है और मड में भी ये इजीली चल सकते हैं because of these long legs and wide spreading toes. The widely spread out toes prevent their body from sinking in water. और ये जो toes होती है wide spreading toes, you can see here in the picture also, ये उनको उनकी बॉडी को सिंक होने से, पानी में सिंक होने से बचाती है. सो क्रेन्स एंड जैकाना कैन वॉक इन द मड विदाउट गेटिंग देयर बॉडी वेट. अपने बॉडी को गीला किए बिना ही वो मड में वॉक कर सकती. दिस इज कॉल्ड वेडिंग. सो व्हाट आर द स्पेशल फीचर्स ऑफ दिस स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ claws and feet of these wading birds are, that is, they have long legs and wide spreading toes. Next is your scratching bird. You all know the meaning of scratch. किसी चीज में scratch मार देना, खरोंच मार देना, that is called scratch. So scratching birds. So some birds like hen have strong feet. You can see here in the picture the feet and claws of the hen. Some birds like hen have strong feet with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं, you can see here the 3 toes in the front and 1 at the back. Each toe has a sharp claw to scratch the ground in search of seed and insect present in the soil. You can see here the claws present in each toes, and these help them to scratch the ground. Ground में scratch करने में ये इनको help करते हैं, because you know that the hen eats seeds and insects. और ये seed and insect इनको कहाँ मिलते हैं? soil में, और soil को ये scratch करके हटाती है, और जिससे उसको seeds and insects मिलते हैं और उनको वो खाती है. So this is the scratching bird. It has strong feet with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. And each toe has a sharp claw. Now the next is your climbing bird. Observe the claws and the feet of all the types of birds carefully and try to understand the difference in their claws and feet. Now here is the climbing bird. Climbing, you all the meaning of climbing, ऊपर चढ़ना. Climbing birds like the woodpecker and the parrot have 2 toes pointed upwards and 2 downwards. You can see here in the picture 2 toes pointing upwards and 2 downwards. These birds can cling to trees to catch the insects and to hold the fruits. So you can see here in the picture the woodpecker. Woodpecker cling to the tree, and you know that it's the insect present in the trees. और इसकी कैसी बीक होती है, हमने बीक्स में भी इसका डिस्कस किया था. दे हैव चिजलिंग बीक्स, जो इसको छीलती है और इसमें से इंसेक्ट्स को खाती है. सो फॉर दैट उसको ब्रांच पे या उस पे क्लिंग होना पड़ेगा, लटकना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर. सो फॉर दैट दे हैव सच टाइप ऑफ feet and claws. Now 2 pointing upwards and 2 downwards. And parrots also have such type of feet and claws to hold the fruits. And then we thus find that nature has provided bird with different types of beaks, feet and claws. These are as per the need and habits of different birds. So now we learned that why the beaks and claws of the birds are different. अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा क्यों ये डिफरेंट होते हैं. Different birds के different types of beaks and claws, because it is according to their need. उनकी जरूरत के हिसाब से उनकी बीक होती है. That means about their feeding habits, और वो क्या खाते हैं, किस तरह से खाते हैं, it depends on that. Now do you know Dr. Salim Ali, a person who's, this is a picture of Mr. Dr. Salim Ali. A person who studies birds is called the ornithologist. Dr. Salim Ali was a very famous Indian ornithologist. He has done a lot for saving the wildlife, and he has written many books on birds. Dr. Ali has been awarded the Padma Vibhushan. This is the award, and he is a very famous ornithologist of India. So this is all about the beaks and claws of the birds. Thank you.